Today we're going to do Daydream. So the chords are such that there's two sections. There's a verse and a chorus. And the verse is 4 beats of each chord, and it goes C, A7, D minor, and G7. Okay? And it does that twice for the verse. And we're going to use the island strum for that one. For the chorus, it's a little bit quicker because it goes 2 beats of F, 2 beats of D7, 2 beats of C, 2 beats of A7. Does it 3 times in a row. So for that one, we'll just use downstrokes. Down, 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 down. Do that 3 times. And then the last line of the chorus, it goes D7 for 4 beats and G7 for 4 beats. So we can use the island strum again and go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Nice. All right, perfect. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to start with the verse, and we're going to do it in form. So remember, we do the pattern twice for the verse. Anyway, you'll see it. Okay. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, chorus F, F, D7, D7, C, C, A7, A7, F, F, D7, D7, C, C, A7, A7, F, F, D7, D7, C, C, A7, A7. 4 beats of D down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now we're back to the top. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. On somebody new mode loan. Just ended like that, right? Nice job. Keep it up.